Alright, 1998 Ford Ranger, otherwise known as the learning vehicle, Ablecraft here doing his thing. So, this is what I got. So, I showed you the template and a series of angles and cuts. You can see this is kind of where it's gonna go. I'm gonna tack weld it in like so, or I should say tack, 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 and tack. Then kind of like you could say cut and butt it in, and then the old metal will fall out underneath. It's okay. And see this is the bead I was talking about on the other, was it day one part 3 perhaps? That's what I was going for. See right there. So it would have some rigid, it would be rigid. And then I will simply, and this is the high one, which I didn't need to do. I kept it just like that. And then I will form another piece to weld on from here to here, down here. I thought it would be easier doing it in 2 stages, and I could lengthen it and go into here a little bit if necessary. And I will call it I'll call it done from there. So that's pretty much what you're looking at. Just a simple patch, and using a couple of tools and some simple arithmetic. And the tools I use for this particular job, try to get that angle right, because I use this triangle, old school triangle I've had for a long time. So I use that triangle and some markers, and obviously you can see the table here. And this was the original. And let's see here. I'll keep you informed on that a little bit. And this was the bar stock. You can get it like a shelf anywhere, like a heavy duty shelf. And I just knocked some bar stock out to get that bead that I wanted. You could use wood if you wanted to, okay, a one-time fix. You could also use some wood there and put it in a vise and bang on top of it. The wood will probably disintegrate. So that's another way of doing it. A table, a good bar stock table leg, if you wanted to get that as well. Some other ideas to get some beads in there. So you know, it's all based on your creativity, okay? That's what I did. I just kept it simple. It's okay. So that's it for what, day 4, part 1, day 4. The '98 Ford Ranger, and I'm gonna do a little bit more fabricating and do a little bit more fabricating here, and perhaps I'll start welding. We'll see. All right. If I can do it, you guys can do it better. Just get at it. Get creative. Use your craftiness. Become able. Alrighty.